Good afternoon, everyone. Jay, Jiten, Meet, Ruchit, Vinti. Am I audible to all of you? Please let me know. Yeah, feel free to communicate with me. Okay, you may unmute. Vinti, Ruchit, Meet, Jiten, Jay Parmar. आप लोग unmute कर सकते हो. Vinti, are you there? Good afternoon, Jay. Vinti, are you there? Jay, आवाज आ रही है मेरी? I hope I'm loud and audible to all. Okay, thank you, Meet. Meet, कल की क्लास ज्वाइन की थी आपने? Yesterday's session. This is what we have discussed in the yesterday's session. Okay. And today I want to okay, Mit. Okay. Dharamjit, how are you feeling now? So in today's session, I'm expecting that you guys must practice the Excel solver. Okay, I'm expecting you to use your gadget, whichever you have, either maybe mobile, if it is available. Okay, that solver is available, right? Are you there, Vinti? For if you are available there, I will repeat it, whatever I had discussed in the yesterday's session. Vinti, आप हो सेशन में? Good afternoon, Ritvik, Pranav. So in today's session, I'm going to repeat. Yeah, Dharamjit, you are there. Good. Yeah, good afternoon, Ritvik. Yes, Darshan, do you want to speak?
नो सर मिस्टेक हो गया.
कोई नहीं चलेगा. मैं वही चाहता हूँ कि आप लोग मिस्टेक करो और मेरे से बात करो. चलो कोई नहीं. Are you there, Vinti? Because I'm just looking for. If you are there, I will repeat it. Whatever I had discussed in the yesterday's session. जितेन कल सेशन ज्वाइन किया था ना तुमने? जितेन? So this is what we have discussed in yesterday's session. We are interested in that you should practice on your gadget that optimization with Excel. Okay. So we have seen the first. I hope right now you are aware how to install that solver. Okay, how to install the solver, right? So you are aware about it. So this is the first example on which we have worked initially, right? And we came to know that this is the window where we can set our solver parameters. Okay, this is where we can set our solver parameters, right? And then this we have minimized at x equals to 0. right? At x equals to 0. Whereas the second example, we consider that we have to look for the constraint and without constraint. Okay, with constraint and without constraint, right? So this is how the problem statement was given in yesterday's session as well. That we have a cardboard with area 2,700 centimeters square, right? And these are the dimensions. These are the dimensions. Okay, so which holds we have to fulfill the values of x, y, z to fulfill our object. Okay, so in yesterday's session we discussed in terms of that we considered x as box width, then y as box depth, then z is equals to box height, and our objective function is to maximize the box volume. Okay, the objective function is described by the expression v of xyz is equals to xyz. Okay, volume. And there are two constraints, like the first one is in terms of its surface area. Okay, its surface area. Surface area will be 2,700 meters square, and the constraint it is a kind of 2x plus 2y plus 2 plus 2xz is equals to 2,700. Okay, so this is the first constraint, and second constraint which we had discussed in the yesterday's class, yesterday's lab session, that we require the width to be double its depth. Okay, width double its depth, right? So these are two constraints, and accordingly we have to deal with the optimization problem. Okay, optimization problem. Got it? So yes, right? So this is what we have to do. To each variable we have to attribute a position on the worksheet. So b1 b2 b3 आपकी position ले लो xyz. Okay, then objective function जो भी होगा आपका वो you have to write, that is x into y into z, that is a volume, right, which we have to maximize, right? Next, the constraint 1 and constraint 2, which already we have discussed, it equals to 2,700, and the second one it is equals to 2 into v2, right? So this is what we have discussed in the last session, and we try to solve it. Okay, if you are interested, I will go through it once again. Okay, I will try to discuss the same one. Okay, so this is our problem statement. I'm going to copy it, I'm going to stop it, and this is next window. Okay, is this visible, Darshan? Excel sheet
Yes, sir.
visible? Okay, okay, Pranav, thank you. Okay, okay. So this is what we had discussed in yesterday's session. Height. Oh, height, 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 height. So you can keep as it is. So it will be there, right? Width box width xyz. No? This is the problem statement. This is the problem statement. Okay. This is what we have to do if we are going to copy it from some other source. Dectex. Right. Then we would like to hold the values of So right now you are aware about that, right? So what I will do, I will just simply delete it and I will copy it as a picture. So this is our example, which I'm going to show it here. Yes, this is our example, right? So what we have to do, we have to deal with these parameters, right? Like x, y, and z. Okay, x, y, and z. Okay, where it is? Yeah. it is here. ठीक है, तो ये हमारा प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट था. And what we have, let us say we have three parameters, so we are going to write that as a kind of, let's say, x equals to, right, then y equals to, and then z equals to. These are three parameters, right? These are three parameters. Next, we have to set our objective function. Okay, so objective, which is to be maximized, and we are going to write that we have to maximize the volume, right? We have to maximize the volume, right? So volume will be x into y into z, right? X into y into z. Okay, that is nothing but the volume, right? Which are the constraints? The first constraint is your surface area is 2700 square. Okay, so I'm going for constraints. Okay, constraint one, it is equals to surface area. It is can be written as we have seen in the last session. I'm going to write this into bracket 2 into x into y, right? Bracket complete, plus another bracket 2 into y into z, right? If I'm wrong somewhere, please let me know. Okay, Prince. And the surface area, as we are considering this as cuboid, right? Then 2 into, it's x into z. Okay, x into z. Got it? So this is my constraint one. This is my constraint one. Are you getting this, Prince? Second constraint. Vinti, are you there? Second constraint, it is the width to be double its depth. Okay, width to be double of its depth. Okay, Prince, are you there? Yesterday we had discussed this, right? So I thought today you guys will practice it at your own if you have computer system or your in your mobile phones as well. Okay, right? So here constraint 2 is we need to our constraint is the width to be double its depth. So what is my width? Let me note this. Width is x and it will be double of its depth. That means x equals to 2y. Okay, so the first constant I made a mistake here. You should write where it is. You should write whatever the constraint one, that is, sorry, the constraint one, it is nothing but the area, surface area, which is equals to 2700 square. Okay, so this is nothing but equals to 2700, 2700. Okay, 2700. Okay, so this is our constraint number one. Okay, right? So this is our first constraint, that is constraint one. That is what already it was mentioned in our study material, right? So constraint one, it is nothing but इक्वल वाले डिस्कस कर रहे हैं हम लोग, जो हुआ तो वो आगे. So this surface area x 2 into xy plus 2 into yz plus 2 into xz राइट, तो हमें यहाँ पे दिया गया है दिस इज इक्वल टू 2700 स्क्वायर, सो इट इज इक्वल टू 2700, राइट। सेकंड कंस्ट्रेंट इज, मैंने अभी ये डिस्कस किया दैट द विड्थ, अगर इट इज, हाँ, the width to be double its depth, width is x, right? So which is my x? I will write it here, equals to, width is nothing but x, okay? X into, x, sorry, x equals to x, right? This is done. This equals to be double its depth, okay? Shall I write like this? B2, yes. So it is equals to 2 times, sorry, equals to 2 times depth is 1, right? So these are my constraint. अगर आप यहाँ पे क्लिक करो ना फ्रेंड्स, तब जाके आपको फॉर्मूले दिखाई देंगे, क्योंकि फॉर्मूले मैंने ऑलरेडी इंसर्ट किए, ठीक है, राइट। सो दिस इज द अदर फॉर्मूला फॉर सरफेस एरिया व्हिच इज इक्वल टू 2700 स्क्वायर, ये यहाँ पे दिया है। सिमिलरली ये आपका विड्थ किसके इक्वल होगा? इट्स टू बी डबल इट्स डेप्थ, इज इट करेक्ट प्रणव? और शैल आई राइट y is equals to 2 times x, क्या होगा प्रणव फ्रेंड्स? Is this correct? Dharamjit, Vinti? X equals to 2, right? X equals to 2 है। चलो, डन। What next? What next? ये तो आ गया, अभी क्या करना है भागो? ये तो मैंने प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट है, मैंने 3 वेरिएबल ले लिए, ऑब्जेक्टिव फंक्शन मैंने टाइप कर दिया कि मुझे कुछ मैक्सिमाइज करना है वॉल्यूम। यस, नाउ go to the solver option, right? You have to go in the data option, okay? solver कहाँ चला गया? इसमें किया है, give me a minute, इसमें नहीं है। चलो, those who are not aware about it कि कैसे इंस्टॉल करना है सॉल्वर, just will go through it once again. Go to the options, okay? Here you have option called add-ins, ठीक है? add-ins में जाके आपको सॉल्वर add-in ऐड करना, ठीक है? मेरे इसमें इंस्टॉल नहीं है लैपटॉप में, राइट? तो सॉल्वर add-in यहाँ पे गो तो ठीक है, ओके ओके, राइट? we'll see whether it will be available now or not. Start it. Just give me a minute. I may have to restart my Excel. Okay. I'm going to save this. Okay. Just give me a minute. Huh? आप लोगों को हाँ, ये यहाँ पे व्हाट इफ एनालिसिस हो गया। माइक्रोसॉफ्ट का हायर वर्जन है, आप लोगों को दिखाई दे रहा है कहीं पे? होम में नहीं होगा, होम में नहीं है, वो डेटा में आता है। कैसे करना है? अच्छा, सॉरी सॉरी सॉरी, अभी इंस्टॉल हो रहा है, पहले शो कर दें। So now it's installing. Now it's installing, right? So you have to install it in your system. Got it? Now it may be installed. Let us check. Right? Where it is? It will be in data, and right now this is the okay. It is installed. Okay. So data में जाके go to the solver option. Okay. Yes. So this is the window with which we have to work. What is my objective? My objective is to maximize volume. Right? यहाँ पे सिर्फ click करो. ये C 14. Correct? Then I have to maximize it. So as it is same by changing the variable cell, which is this cell, huh? Constraint 2 या 1 या फिर ये XYZ क्या change होगा? What you are going to change? You have to maximize. You have to maximize the volume. Volume किस basis पे depend करता है? X, Y and Z. ठीक है? So here I have to set my X, Y and Z. Let us check. We are correct, but let us check. B1, B3 है ना? B1, B2, B3 ठीक है ना? करेक्ट जा रहा है ना? So see, we have to change the values of X, Y, Z कि आपको ये जीरो वाली वैल्यू जो आपको मैक्सिमाइज करनी है वॉल्यूम, ठीक है? तो ये वैल्यूज हम चेंज करेंगे, राइट? नाउ हियर इज द न्यू टर्म और न्यू पार्ट, वी हैव टू ऐड द कंस्ट्रेंट, ठीक है? गो टू द ऐड ऑप्शन, सेल रेफरेंस, ये आपका पहले वाला कंस्ट्रेंट, ये आपका जो सरफेस एरिया है, दिस इज इक्वल्स टू, ठीक है? इज दिस विजिबल प्रणव? आपको एक नई वाली विंडो दिखाई दे रही है?
Yes, sir.
सारे एक ही रूम में बैठे हुए तो इको आ रहा है. चलो, and the constraint is here 2700. Got it? Yeah. Add it. Okay, one more. Constraint 2 equals to this is the value, right? Add it. Okay, let's. I'm going to do it. Okay, close it. So these are my two constraints, right? What next? Simply you can solve it with the help of your any solving method. So we'll go with the also, right? But still we will check it. हम सही जा रहे हैं नहीं जा रहे, we'll check it. Okay. 1 2 GRG, ये ऐसे किया हमने, right? Now we have to solve it. Okay. So we will try to solve it, right? So just add. If you want to change, you can. By the way, you can go here and you can change the cell. अगर गलती से आपने कहीं और क्लिक कर दिया, ठीक है, वहां पे जाके कीजिए. ओके, तो चलो ये हो गया. If ये मैं बोल रहा था कि आपको सेंसिटिविटी कैसे बढ़ानी है. दिस इज 0.5 टाइम्स 10 to the power -5, ठीक है? अब उसकी सेंसिटिविटी जितनी आपको बढ़ानी है आप बढ़ा सकते हो, ठीक है? सो इटरेशन रिजल्ट आपको देखना है, इटरेशन रिजल्ट देखना, कुछ आपको इग्नोर करना हो तो इग्नोर कर दो. कितना सॉल्विंग लिमिट कितना है, मैक्सिमम टाइम कितने टाइम तक आपको सॉल्व करना है, वो भी टाइम आप डाल सकते हो. ये मशीन टाइम है, ठीक है? कितने इटरेशंस लेके आने, मतलब कितने बार उसे सॉल्व करना है कि ये आपका प्रिसीजन इतनी आ जाए, ठीक है? एक्यूरेसी, तो ये यहाँ पे आप डाल सकते हो, राइट? एंड अबाउट दी एल्गोरिथम कन्वर्जेंस, आपको कहाँ तक वो एरर कम करते आना है, राइट? सो दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव. इवोल्यूशनरी, ये थर्ड वाला जो हमने देखा था, है ना? थर्ड वाला वहाँ पे एल्गोरिथम है, राइट? सो आई विल गो विद दी डिफॉल्ट वैल्यूज, जस्ट गो विद ओके, ट्राई टू सॉल्व इट. तो अभी नेक्स्ट विंडो आएगी, सॉल्वर पॉज्ड, करंट सॉल्यूशन वैल्यूज डिस्प्लेड ऑन वर्कशीट. ओके, let's continue. ये आ गया, ठीक है? Keep solver solution, restore original values. I don't want to keep my original values as it is. तो देखो अभी 0 0 0 आ गया, ठीक है? Okay. Right? So what next? What we have to do? We got the values. What about क्यों नहीं आ रहा है? बोलो छोड़ो. ये मेरा ऑब्जेक्टिव फंक्शन है. ठीक है. तो 10, 11, 12. अच्छा 13 नहीं, सॉरी सॉरी सॉरी, इट इज अप टू 12 only. ठीक है. 12 ये जब ऐसी गलती हो सकती है. क्या हुआ? सॉरी पॉज के लिए.
होटल के लेना ऐसा नहीं है.
नहीं नहीं वो तो इसमें. हाँ हाँ. Others, you please try this in your system if possible. I think मुझे Solver could not find feasible solution. Solver cannot find the point which for the fixed point. This can occur if the variables are initially on a fixed point. चलो कोई नहीं कोई नहीं कोई नहीं कोई नहीं. ठीक है, स्टॉप कर दिया.
यहाँ पे हमारा आंसर है ना, वहाँ पे दो चीजें उसमें हमारी
मुझे शायद वो रिस्टोर करना पड़ेगा. देखो वैल्यूज. ठीक है, शायद इनिशियल वैल्यूज देनी पड़ेगी. इनिशियल वैल्यूज
वही बोला है.
initial values हमें देनी है. So you may change your initial values and please try. Okay. So this is x is equal to 30, 15, 20. Okay. If I'll go with 30, 15, 20. So it is now. Go with this. देखो अभी आ गया. Answer sensitivity. Okay. Now this is correct. That's it. Okay. If I will go with 12, 14, 18. Once again, I will go to the solver function. Solve it. So now values are changed. देखो 17.55. So this is how we can do the optimization. ठीक है. So here we used to get the outline report. I don't know right now why it is not working. Okay. So you please try this. Those who are in the online class, please try it. Okay. If you have any doubt, if you have any suggestion, Neet, you may write in the chat box. Okay. This is how we are going to perform it, and I will share this in your portal. Okay. Vinti, Dharamjit, Pranav. Pranav, please try this. Okay. Okay, that's it for today's session. Okay. You please practice it if you have a laptop with you or any other gadget. Okay. If you have any doubt, please let me know. Okay. So I can see there are 14 students in today's session. Darshan? दोनों दर्शन नहीं आए. Okay, fine then. We'll meet in the next session. Right? So till that time, please practice it. I'm going to stop the recording right now. Okay. So take care and bye bye.